my name is Callista, and today I'm going to be telling you how to make a fairy in a jar. But I'm not using a fairy. I'm going to be doing a unicorn in a jar. You can use any kind of picture, not too big if you're using a small one.
What do you need?
So here's what we need. You need a pitcher. You can use any kind. A glass jar with a lid, light, hot glue and glue, a paintbrush, and some decorations. You can use the decorations if you want. And
Tissue paper.
Tissue paper. So the first thing we're going to do is use the glue and put it on our unicorn. Make sure not to use too much glue and cover your whole picture up. Then next we're going to put it on the inside of the jar. Okay, now this is going to be hard. Done. Now we have it in the jar. Now we're going to have to wait for it to be done. It dried, and this is step 2. We're going to be putting a glue on it. So let's start. Apply a thin layer of glue and do little sections at a time so you don't make a mistake. Okay, step 3, we put this on. Okay, now we need to overlap. Done. Now we just need to let it dry.
Cut off the extra stuff.
And cut off the extra. Here's step 4. And if you make a mistake, a little mistake, you can put some more on. And if you make a big mistake, you can wash it off. So the next thing is I'm going to put decorations on my lid. Make sure to get your parents' permission if you're using a hot glue gun, and try not to burn yourself. last step before we put our candle in. So we're going to be putting glitter on, so we'll have to put glue on. Try to be quickly.
And we don't put it where?
On the unicorn.
You can do little bits at a time if you want. Little sections. So spread it around.
I'm going to use a paintbrush instead of my hand. And now for the fun part. Sprinkle! Or should I say glitter? Sprinkling glitter. It's fun when you have glitter. There's lots of glitter right there. Whoa!
Remember not to put too much glitter on because then you won't be able to see the light through the glitter.
Done. That's lots. I put on lots of glitter. And the last thing is our light. Come on, turn on. Ha! Let's put the lid on. I'm going to turn off the light. So now we move to a different room so we can show you the light out. Look at that. It's a light. Bye guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.